everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. So for today's video, I'm going to be filming one of my absolute most favorite videos to film on my channel, an Amazon favorites video, except today it's not just going to be my favorites, it's kind of just going to be like what I've picked up over the past few months from Amazon. I do have a few things that did not work out for me, so I'm going to tell you about them. Of course, we have Leonard here. Whenever I start filming, like I swear I don't pick him up to sit on me while I'm filming. He's here to let you guys know what his favorites are, because he does actually have a few favorites in this video as well. So if you want to see what our Amazon favorites are, then just keep watching. I'm just warning you, these are a lot of random favorites. A lot of them have to do with like nails and self-care, but a lot of them are also just very random. We have a few home decor, a few dog things. Okay, so I quickly want to talk about Prime Day and what I bought. I only bought two things. I don't even think one of them was part of Prime Day. But I bought two things yesterday, so I'll tell you guys them. The first was part of Prime Day. It was the Ring doorbell. I actually don't have a camera at my front door because I'm currently renting a condo. I didn't know if I could like start taking off the old doorbell and putting a new doorbell, but I really wanted one because I get packages all day long every day for my business, and then also for YouTube. I'm always ordering clothes and stuff. So then I saw this ad, this stinking Facebook ad that suckered me in for a doorbell boa. Basically, it looks like this, and you can attach it to your door, and you could put a Ring camera while you're renting because you don't have to start drilling holes or changing doorbells. The second thing I picked up is another one of my favorite toothbrushes. It's an electric toothbrush that has a light that sanitizes your toothbrush little head, and I don't have to be so wasteful because I was switching out my toothbrush way too often. For my favorites, I'm starting with my self-care items. Amazon has the absolute best selection of self-care items at a really affordable price, and I'm starting with my feet. Okay, I have chronically dry feet. I'm not even joking. My feet are so dry. I have such bad calluses on the bottom of my feet, and nothing helps. Okay, absolutely nothing helps. So then I was like, there has to be a better way, and I found this. This is the electric foot file. This changed my life. I used to use like, it looked kind of like a cheese grater, I'm not even kidding, on my feet, and it always left them feeling kind of like I used a cheese grater on my foot. It's super simple. It comes fully charged, and all you do is turn it on and you can file the bottom of your feet. They become so soft. I promise you, your feet will never feel as soft as when you use this tool. I'm not even gonna lie, okay? I was sitting there filing for a long time. I didn't realize how bad my feet were, and my feet feel like a baby's bottom. The next thing I want to talk about is this right here. This is a pedicure kit. This was $13, and you get all of this stuff inside. I'm going to put a picture of everything you get. This just makes doing a pedicure at home so much easier. Ever since Corona, I mean, even way before Corona, I've been doing my own pedicures, and this just makes it so much easier to have everything in a little box. I don't know, I just thought this was a great deal. You get so many things in here. I love flossing. It is one of my favorite things to do, but I have an invisible retainer on the top and bottom of my mouth, so flossing is actually quite time consuming. So I wanted to find a better way at flossing, and this is just a water pick flosser. I had one of these a really long time ago. I was such a bizarre child, and for my birthday one year when I was like 12, I wanted a water pick. Don't ask me why. That one was huge and had a cord. This one is cordless. You just need to charge it. When you turn this on and you aim it at your gums, it hurts. It is powerful. There's 3 modes: normal, soft, pulse. The first time I had this on, I don't know why, I pressed the on button, water was shooting everywhere. I use the soft mode and it works really well, and you also get a bunch of different like attachments, like this is a tongue cleaner. Okay, the next thing I picked up are these right here. These are for when you do your nails at home, or you can even bring these to a nail salon if you get your nails done there. They are to protect your hands when you are in the UV light when you're getting your nails done. You could also wear these when you're driving. It's said that you can really tell someone's age from their hands and from their neck and chest, I believe. And people always tell me how dangerous those UV lights are for your skin, and I do have a history of skin cancer in my family, so I was like, I'm not taking any chance. I slather SPF all over the rest of my body. The next thing I want to talk about, the next thing I got is this right here, and this is what I keep all of my gel nail polishes in. Just keeps them all really organized. You guys know I do my nails at home all the time. I have a lot of videos on my channel if you want to check them out, but I love how organized it all keeps it. I picked this up a few months ago, and I don't know what I honestly did before it, because you can see all the colors. Another thing I picked up from Amazon that I've been using so much are these little nail tools. These have made it so easy to do a French manicure at home, which has been my go-to nail style for at least like a month and a half now. If you are looking for anything to do with your nails, whether it be gel polishes, top coats, base coats, lights, anything, Amazon has it. Oh my gosh, you guys. These next things are not only my favorite, but they are my boyfriend's favorite. When I first got them, he made fun of me, and then he has used literally all of them. This is my last one. Basically, they are shower bombs. They're actually from the brand Rocky Mountain Barber Company. Put it on a little, kind of where you would put the soap in your shower, and I sprinkle some water on it, and it fills your shower with the most amazing scent ever. It smells like you're at a spa. I put on my classical kind of spa rainforest music, and it is so beyond relaxing. Trust me, you guys need it. The next thing I want to talk about is coconut oil. Amazon has the best, most affordable coconut oils, and the way I like using it is in the shower. Now hear me out, okay? I don't know about you, but I absolutely hate moisturizing my body after a shower. So I started using coconut oil in the shower. After I washed my body, I just lather coconut oil all over my body and quickly rinse it off. And then when you get out of the shower, you don't need to put moisturizer on your body, and it makes your skin so beyond soft. It's incredible. Make sure if you are using it in the shower to get a liquid coconut oil. That way it won't clog your drain. And I haven't personally found that it makes the bottom of my shower slippery. I don't know if it's just because of the kind of shower I have, but be careful, it might make your shower very slippery. The next thing I want to talk about and get questions about all the time are the nipple stickers that I use. So for a long time, and I think in even one of my Amazon favorites, I talked about kinesiology tape. And I do love kinesiology tape for certain things. Like if I want to bring my boobs together and give me more cleavage, I love kinesiology tape. But these bad boys, they are amazing. They are a little bit more expensive than other nipple stickers, but I'll tell you why they are so worth it. You buy these once and you can reuse them so many times. They stick to my boobs just as well now as they did the first time. All you have to do is take them off, wash them, and put them back on their little plastic card, and then whenever you want to use them, you just stick them on your boob. What I like about these more than anything else is how seamless they are. With other nipple stickers, even like the completely flat ones, the fabric ones, you can always kind of see the outline, especially in thin tops, whereas when you put this on, you literally cannot see it at all. Even in the sheerest, thinnest clothes, you literally can't see it. So all you have to do is stick it on a boob. This is a little bit of a thicker top, but you can't see the outline of it at all. I'd honestly rather people just see the outline of my nipple than see like a weird heart-shaped nipple sticker, you know what I mean? So with these, they are undetectable and they stick there from morning till night, but they aren't uncomfortable and they don't hurt to take off. They are some sort of magic nipple sticker. The next thing I want to talk about is this concealer I got off of Amazon. It is called the Amazing Cosmetics Amazing Concealer. I got the shade Light Beige. So I actually saw, I believe, Jessie James Decor using this in her makeup tutorial, and I actually used to use this exact concealer. What I really like about this concealer in particular is that it has a really strong, amazing coverage. However, it is so moisturizing and it makes your under eyes look so like you're so hydrated. You know, like it looks like you drank 16 glasses of water today. If you have really oily skin, I'd probably steer clear from this, but if you have dry skin, I think you honestly would really like this concealer. I have been on the hunt for the perfect hair waver. The size of the barrel that I was using was just way too big, so I bought the same exact one but with the 1-inch kind of barrels, and it works way better and it really gives you that beachy kind of undone look. Okay, so I think that's it for all, like the beauty self-care stuff. This has been my favorite purchase from Amazon this year. I believe one of you told me that you pronounce it Chamoy. I'm so sorry if I'm saying that wrong. I don't know why, but here in Quebec, like, I could not find this anywhere. So I turned to trusty Amazon and I picked up this one and I put this stuff on everything. I love it on fruit. I'm so late to this party, you guys, but I'm never turning back. It is absolutely delicious. On the way up to film this, I dropped this in my hallway and it went all over my floor. I lost so much of it. It was so heartbreaking, and it also looked like someone was murdered in my hallway. Keeping on the food topic, I have to talk about this for 1 second. This insanely expensive, insanely beautiful truffle hot sauce. The only reason I was willing to spend the exorbitant price tag on this hot sauce is because I have a love for truffle I cannot explain. They have a black truffle, a white truffle, and they also have an extra spicy one. This one, whew, it's heckin' spicy. I don't even want to know what the extra spicy one tastes like. The black truffle one, though, is not as expensive as the white truffle one, but the white truffle one was the only one that was available on Amazon.ca. So let me know if you've tasted both, which one you like better. But this stuff is absolutely amazing. I love eating it with my eggs. I had it this morning. And the good thing is that you only need a very, very little bit. The next thing I just grabbed from my background is this purse holder. Kind of gives that boutique kind of feel, which I'm all for. I only got one of them because I don't have a ton of space behind me. But if you don't want like a full out purse holder like that, but you do have bags you want to stand up, I also got these kind of plastic purse holders for my bags up there. Certain bags have a hard time like standing up, so these are absolutely perfect, and you can't really see them because they are clear. Amazon.com has a ton of amazing home decor pieces, but Amazon.ca is not, it's not there yet. Let's just put it that way. So I saw a lot of these kind of Greek looking statues that I wanted to put in my downstairs living area. So I went on and I wanted a statue around maybe this big. Nothing huge, okay? I didn't want a statue from the Acropolis in my dining room. I just wanted, you know, a good size statue. So I went on and there was not much. The first one I found, I saw the dimensions and I was like, that's quite small, but we'll give it a try. Then he showed up at my door. And you know what? While he was a lot smaller than I had anticipated, I wasn't mad at him. I thought he was kind of really cute. I sat him on top of a pile of books. He just sat there minding his own business, and you know, I was happy. I knew that he was probably going to be smaller than I expected, so I ordered another statue. I read the dimensions. I was like, perfect. It was coming from Greece, so it was going to take longer to get here, but it was worth it because, you know, it was going to be the right size. I read the dimensions. I was sure of my purchase. And then she shows up at my door. I was sure that she was going to be the right size, but she wasn't. So now I just have 2 miniature people. I'm not mad at them. I'm mad at myself. While they're a lot smaller than I thought, I do actually really like them. I'm probably gonna leave Madame over here in my closet, and he can go back downstairs because he looks cute there. The next thing I want to talk about, you probably are not going to be as excited as I am, but it is a mop. This is the best mop ever. This is from the brand Veleda. Here. This is the Canadian brand. I know they have this exact same mop, but it's not called the same thing in the States. But I follow Go Clean Co. on Instagram. If you're not following them, you really should, because they make me want to keep my house so clean. I don't have kids running around. I have a very small dog. I don't really need like a whole intense mop. So this was perfect because you don't need to charge it, and you also don't need a special cleaning solution. You put 2 teaspoons of whatever floor cleaner you want mixed with water in here, and then it sprays out from here, and you don't need to charge it, and then you can just throw this little pad into the wash and you're good to go. I'm at the point in my life where cleaning supplies really make me that happy. The next cleaning item that I bought on Amazon, which is all the way downstairs and I don't want to carry the whole thing up, is this carpet cleaner. Now, most people get this because their dogs have a lot of accidents. I got this because I'm a mess. Anywhere I go, I leave a mess. I don't know how it happens, but my coffee drops everywhere. And I have a white couch. I have white rugs everywhere, so I really needed something that I could quickly grab, get the stain out of the rug, get the stain out of the couch, and be on my way, and this is perfect. I don't really see a difference between this one and the more affordable one, like the little green pet one. So you can get either. I've used both. I think they're both amazing, but I think having one on hand is super, super, super amazing. Lastly, I actually don't have these either because I just ran out, and of of course I didn't keep the little tub. I always get asked about how I keep Leo's eyes so clean. He has these little cleaning pads that you just wipe them under his eyes, and it honestly works wonders for him. They keep his eyes super clean. Now they're not so bad, but I do occasionally, when he does get like little brown spots under his eyes, use these little wipes and they get rid of it right away. Okay, one thing I did buy on Amazon that I did not like, I don't have it because I returned it, was the Hot Tools curling iron. This was really heartbreaking for me because I've been a big advocate for Hot Tools for a long time, but I got the 1.5-inch curling iron and it did not heat up at all. I was able to like literally put my hand on the curling iron at the highest heat level. A lot of the reviews said the same thing happened to them, so I'm a little bit wary of that. Anyways, you guys, that is it for what I bought on Amazon over the past few months. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As usual, I will leave absolutely everything I talked about listed down below. Don't forget to subscribe for new videos every single week. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys back here next time.